welcome back to another video. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. I hope you're having a great start to your 2022. I hope you are relaxing wherever you're at while you're watching this video. Right now I am at home. I am actually sick. We tested positive for COVID and we are just trying to get better, and we've been at home quarantined, trying to get some rest and trying to get better. I also took out my extensions. If you haven't noticed, I took out my extensions. This is just temporary. I do want to get them back in pretty soon. Once I start feeling better, obviously, I want to get them back, and but right now it's kind of nice just letting my hair do its thing and kind of breathe a little bit. So I thought that since I have a little bit of energy today, I would sit down and talk to you guys about my recent Amazon purchases, because I shop a lot on Amazon and I'm actually going to try and limit that this year, but I thought that I would still share with you guys anyway, and because I like to watch these videos, I really do. And normally I share like travel Amazon hauls on my channel because I'm a flight attendant. If you're new here, I'm a flight attendant and I vlog about my life as a mom and as a flight attendant. So if that sounds interesting, make sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on so that you don't miss a video. Make sure to also follow me on social media, TikTok, Instagram. I try to be active there as much as I can. So, but like I was saying, I normally show travel things that I get from Amazon, but today I thought I would share with you other things other than just travel and just home things and just random things. So all right, so let's get into the first product. So the first thing I got is this sweater. I got this really nice sweater on Amazon, and it's actually really good quality. It reminds me a lot of like an American Eagle or Aerie type of sweater. It's really cozy. It's long enough for it to cover your butt if that's something that you care about, and at least for me it is. I did size up. I ended up getting a large or a medium in this. I'm normally a medium or large, sometimes an extra large depending on what I'm going to wear or depending on the style of something. But I think I ended up getting a large on this one, and it is a little bit bigger than the normal, but I really like the sleeves. As you can, I don't know if you can tell, but it has these like little balls right here, and it's just so nice and it's so cozy. I really like the color too. It's so nice. Since we're on the topic of clothing, I'm going to move on to this next shirt. I got this really cute shirt on Amazon, obviously, and I got it in a size large so it could be a little bit more loose. It is a little bit tight on the arms, I'm not going to lie, but I really like the fit of it. I really like the color. It's really good quality. It reminds me of this Urban Outfitters shirt that was in style a long time ago. That was like kind of trendy, maybe in like 2018. I thought it would look cute with some like faux leather leggings or some jeans, some black jeans and some booties. I think it would look really good, especially right now during this time of year. Also, I am going to leave everything linked in the description box below. They are affiliate links since I am part of the influencer program on Amazon. It doesn't affect you one bit though, like the price doesn't go up for you to use that. It just means I get a little bit of commission if you purchase using any of my links. The next thing is this, which I'm really excited to wear. This is a sweater that has a whole bunch of little hearts on it. It's a pink sweater with red hearts, and I got it for Valentine's Day. I want to wear this on Valentine's Day because I never really make Valentine's Day like a big deal. We just never have. And this year I kind of want to dress up and do something special. So we'll see if we end up doing something. But I really like the bottom of the sweater. As you can see, it has like these little tears right here. It's a little distressed, which is nice. I really like it. And also I think this would look nice with some like faux leather leggings or some jeans and some booties. I think it would look nice. The last clothing item, I guess, is this purse that I got for my layovers, and this is a crossbody purse that I thought would be really good to have in my suitcase for my trips, because in one pocket right here I can fit my camera, which you guys are on right now, or my phone, my wallet, and usually I have like a crossbody purse that will be perfect just for my camera or just for my wallet, but I can never have all three things at once in there. So I feel like this would be perfect because the pocket right here in the front is perfect for a good camera, and then my phone will go in here, see, and it fits, and then also my wallet in there, which I think would be perfect. So definitely take a look at these bags if you're a flight attendant, so you can have one of these in your suitcase. And it does press down a little bit so it's flat, and I believe it was only like $10 for this, so not bad at all. Next is this first aid kit that I've never had to use, which I'm really glad that I've never had to use. I've had this for a while, but in here it has a whole bunch of different things. It has gauze, it has band-aids, it's got so many different things for you to be able to use in case of an emergency. So I just have this with me in my bag just in case I need something, I get hurt on a layover or somebody gets hurt on a layover, I at least have this with me. And I usually have like the really small 99-cent ones, you know, that you can find at the travel section at Target. But I thought having something like this would be a lot better, and it's red, you know, it sticks out. If somebody ever needs to get into my bag and look for a first aid kit, this is really easy for them to find as well. Okay, this is probably gonna be really random, but I got this egg separator on Amazon because I make a lot of creme brulee at home, and with creme brulee, you have to only use the yolk of the egg, so you have to separate the egg and the egg whites. So I got this for you to put over a bowl like this and crack the egg, and you let the yolk sit here, and then all the white stuff just comes down and it drips down into a little bowl, and then you can save that to make like egg white, so you can make some sort of omelet or whatever. But I thought it would just be easier to do this instead of having to just like sit there and go back and forth trying to save the yolk, and then most of the time I end up destroying the yolk anyway. So this is a good way for you to be able to get a perfect yolk, especially if you're trying to make like creme brulee or anything like that. Eggnog too, I know that you have to separate the egg from the yolk, so I know, I was really excited to get that. Next is something that I have been wanting to get for a while, and I actually have had something similar to this in the past, but I got it from IKEA, and IKEA isn't really close to me, so I decided to get one on Amazon. And it's one of these adapters, got 4 USB ports, and it has a fast charging port too, so I can charge my phone, my camera batteries, and my watch. I can charge other things all at the same time. And as you can see, this folds up. The one that I got from IKEA, this is always sticking out, so it takes up some room, and this one doesn't. So this one just goes flat like this, and it just doesn't take up a lot of room. So I'm really excited that I found one that works. I feel like I always talk about something like this when I do an Amazon haul, but I'm still on the hunt for the perfect vitamin or supplement case. So I found this one because Vera, again, I feel like Vera always has some sort of influence on me when it comes to buying things on Amazon, especially for travel. But she has this on her storefront, her Amazon storefront, and this is for supplements. And I do have supplements and vitamins that I take every single day, along with like mental health medication and stuff that I like to, you know, have all in one place. So this is perfect, and it doesn't take up a lot of room. So this would be great for like a 3-day trip. I can have, you know, everything that I need to take on day 1, day 2, day 3, and then anything extra right here. So this has, I feel like this is going to be perfect. It doesn't take up a lot of room. It's very sleek. I think it's perfect. I'm really glad I found this. This next thing is something that I've actually had for a while, probably a little over a year, but I'm bringing it up now because I've been using it a lot more than usual. So I thought it would be a good idea to just mention it. And it's this cell phone stand right here. I have been using this while I'm getting ready. I have been using this to make TikToks and Reels, to talk to people on the phone, or to just have my phone next to me like this. So all you do is just stand your phone like that and then have it next to you. You can tilt it up, you can tilt it down, and it's just a really good way for you to be able to kind of use your phone at the same time as you're doing other things. So this next item is something that I've had for a while. It's nothing revolutionary or anything, but I've been meaning to get one of these for a long time now, and for some reason I just didn't get one. I have portable battery chargers at home that I can use, but this one, for starters, what it has is that you can plug it into the wall like this, and you can charge your devices at the same time, as well as charging this device. And it has USB-C, and I feel like a lot of things have USB-C now. So it's got a USB-C plug. It's also got like one for Androids. So this will be good for charging my camera batteries. And then this right here is going to be good for like my phone or AirPods or something like that. So yeah, I'm really glad that I finally got one of these. It is a little bit pricey, honestly, but I really like the fact that it has different attachments for different plugs for different devices. It's so compact, it folds down easily. It comes in a case so I'm not gonna, you know, lose it in my bag, and it keeps it safe. So I don't know, I'm really glad that I bought this one. So if you're looking for a portable charger, I definitely would recommend one like this. And these last two things are really random, but if you didn't know, I've actually been using Invisalign for a while now, and I stopped using it for a while, but I'm back on using my trays. I don't have them in right now because my lisp is pretty distracting sometimes, and I was drinking some coffee, so I started buying things to have in my bag to make life a little bit easier with Invisalign. So I got this case right here, this little container that has a spot right here. First of all, it has a mirror, then it has a spot right here for a toothbrush, and then for some travel toothpaste. Right here is where you would put your aligner, and then in here you can put those little chewies that you can chew on to make sure that your aligners go in all the way in, and that, you know, that they're on correctly. And then I actually ended up buying a pack of these on Amazon. It was like 2 for, I don't know, like $2. So I have an extra one in my bag at all times, just in case this one gets dirty or something, and I can brush my teeth on the plane. I don't like how bulky it is, but I really like the thought process behind all of this. So speaking of aligners, this is actually a little pricey for what it is, but I think it's really good. I honestly think it works. I think it's great. This is an aligner cleaner and whitening white foam, so I will keep this in my bag, and when I'm on the plane and I don't want to rinse my retainers with like the water, I will just use this and just pour a little bit of water with like a water bottle, and then put them back in my mouth, and it's also whitening my teeth and it's cleaning my aligners at the same time. So it is a little bit pricey, but I really, really like how this works. I really feel like it really freshens up your breath, and it's like having mouthwash in your mouth at the same time as having your aligners. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Amazon haul that I had to show you guys. I think these are some really fun videos to make, to prepare for, and then also to watch. So I hope you guys enjoy them. Make sure to check out the links in the description box below if anything interests you. Let me know if you end up picking up something, or if anything that was here you ended up liking, or you've already had maybe. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here. Make sure to follow me over on social media, and I'll see you guys over in my next video. Bye guys.